Today, I would like to share information with you. As a student, we need a convenient environment to study. So one of the convenient environment is get purified and clean air. Planting in room or house can make air in your environment being purified and clean. If there is scarce of space for gardening, we can use hydroponic and aeroponic method to planting. For your information, soil simply hold nutrient and plant need this nutrient. But soil itself isn't necessary for plant growth. That's why we can use hydroponic and aeroponic method. Since we are agriculture students, so this topic is familiar to us. So today in this presentation, we would like to share information about two possible ways to planting without soil, which are hydroponic and aeroponic method. So here we prepare a video about hydroponic system for you to know what is hydroponic system is. So what is hydroponic is? Hydroponic is plant in water solution of mineral nutrient. Mineral nutrients such as sodium, potassium, phosphate and other nutrients. So in Greek word there is a meaning, the meaning of hydroponic, which hydro that mean water and ponos which mean labor. Advantage of hydroponic is plant tend to grow well and produce high yield. In this system, it can supply constant oxygen to the plant. Also, plant can access as much or as little water they need. Moreover, it will reduce cost of water because water is reused constantly. Nowadays, scarce of soil. There is many scarce of soil. Therefore, this method suitable for gardener or farmer to planting. And lastly, it can plant indoor. This system can do indoor because it's tidy and easy to manage. So next, I will tell you what kind of plant that grow well in this kind of system. First is chamomile. Chamomile is extract to make tea. Second is lavender. Lavender is used to make fragrance. And next, parsley, mint and chive, which used in cooking. After that, I will tell you setup to build hydroponic system. First, we can find a container to use as a reservoir such as fish tank or bucket or bin. It doesn't matter as long as it can contain water. Second is cut the holes for the net pot. You can use pencil to trace around the bottom of net pot and cut it by using knife or box cutter for the holes for pot. Third is place your 6 pot on the stable surface and make sure it's not tilted. After that, we connect them with the PVC fitting and tubes. And lastly, we put plant in the small plant tray and make sure everything working properly. So this is the easiest setup to build hydroponic system. So next, to talk about next main idea, I have Atika to proceed presentation.
Okay, before I proceed this presentation, I would like guys to show this video first. It is about aeroponic.
Aeroponic vertical garden system uses both water and air to produce more colorful, better tasting, and incredibly nutritious fruits, vegetables, and herbs. Tower Garden has a 20-gallon reservoir at its base that stores the Tower Tonic nutrient solution. Developed by experts in plant and human nutrition, Tower Tonic Mineral Blend enables superior plant growth and better nutrition from your Tower Garden produce. The process begins once the seedlings have been placed in your Tower Garden. Here they will be nourished with Tower Tonic nutrient solution. Inside the reservoir is a small, low-wattage submersible pump that pump pushes the nutrient solution up through the tower to the top. From there, the nutrient solution drips through the central tower using a special device that evenly cascades the solution over the exposed plant roots. On the journey down the tower, the nutrient solution feeds the roots and becomes highly oxygenated as it cascades gently down the reservoir. This process is continuous, providing fresh oxygen, water, and nutrients to the roots of the plants. This patented aeroponic process enables food crops to grow faster than they would in soil, so they can be harvested more often. And it makes Tower Garden a healthier, easier, smarter way to grow your produce.
Okay, what is aeroponic? Actually, aeroponic is from the Greek word with meaning aero for air and ponos for work. Aeroponics is where both air and water surrounding by the plant, and with this globalization area, computerized mechanism that has one mechanism that can tell us when we need to add nutrient and when we need to add some water. Next, with aeroponic, we can use less of water. For the same time, we can reduce our costing. Next, root get maximum oxygen and it causes our plant to grow rapidly. For the beginner, easy for anyone to plant this using this method. In addition, easier harvest, especially for root crops. And last but not least, with this method, plant can grow quickly and we can achieve good yield. Next, I would like to introduce you guys about plant that grow well in aeroponic. First is lettuce. We use lettuce for cooking. Second is basil. Usually basil we use in seasoning. And strawberries we can use we can make a juice or we can just eat like that. Okay, next I would like to introduce you guys about setup for build aeroponic system. Okay, first step is we need to decide the size of net pot that we need to use. We need to space a few inch apart because we doesn't want the plant growth near each other. Next, step 2 is we need to cut hole for the net pot. Usually we use knife or saw. And step 3 is we need to cut PVC into a few of part. For step 4, 5, 6 and 7, we need to connect the PVC that we already cut before. We need to connect them all. And for step 8, we need to place the PVC sprinkler unit inside the tote and connect the fountain pump to the PVC unit with the half flexi tubing. And the last step is step 9, which is we using the entire tube of silicone clocking seal the lid on top of the aeroponic system. For our conclusion, let me end by saying these two methods are suitable for me as a student to get a fresh air in our room and our home. Okay, let me end our presentation with quotation from David Hobson, which is, I grow plants for many reasons. To please my soul, to challenge the element, or to challenge my passion, for novelty or for nostalgia, but mostly for the joy in seeing them grow. Okay, that's all from us. Thank you.